guys, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing good. Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. Do watch and comment for my videos. So we are almost done with all topics or all questions related to simple interest and compound interest. We are yet to cover installment based problems for both SA and CA. Okay, in this session we will cover the basics of installment related to SA. Okay, so we'll see the basic approach and then the shortcut. Okay, several people fail to understand this concept because they think this is actually tedious, but once we understand we can easily solve problems, okay, within seconds using the shortcuts. Okay, so first I'll explain you the basic approach of installment and then we'll go detailing into the questions. Okay, so we'll understand the concept of installment first and then we'll go detail into questions. Okay, first, what is installment? Okay, I'll tell you with an example. See, I'm getting a pen for ₹100. Okay, and in hand I have only 10 rupees. So first I give that 10 rupees and get that pen, and after which I'll settle the remaining amount in installments, like in monthly wise or yearly wise. That is what installment means. But what is the difference is that remaining amount, right, that I will have to pay an extra money which is called interest in addition to the principal. You get my point? See, principal is if I pay it in 9 months, like 10 rupees each month. In addition to that, you will have to pay an interest of some rupees. Then only the seller who gave the pen will get a profit, right? Yes. So that is what installment means. I hope you understood clearly what is installment. Now we will go with the question. Okay, first question: what annual installment will discharge a debt of ₹4,200 in 5 years at 10% SI? So understand the question carefully. The question is, we will have to find the annual installment. This is annual, that is represented in years, so annual installment. Okay, so there are also monthly installments, EMI. Okay, there we'll see how to solve it. Okay, here annual installment, they have given a debt of ₹4,200 due in 5 years, which means the total amount after 5 years I have to pay is 4,200. Okay, that is total amount and not the principal, total amount. Okay, at 10% SI, so rate of interest is 10% they have given, and this is simple interest concept. Okay, so by the term 4,200 in 5 years means, we'll just imagine, just think, this is how we will think. For 5 years, if the amount is 4,200 means for 1 year it is 4,200 divided by 5, 840 we'll find. But actually this is not the concept, and for you to get confused, even this would be your option. Okay, so please don't get confused. Installment concept is somewhat different, so we'll understand the concept first. Okay, so 840 is a wrong answer, understand that. Okay, so how we will solve it, we'll see. Imagine, okay, principal to be 100 rupees. Okay, as usual, every time we will imagine principal to be 100, right? So similarly imagine 100 rupees. So 5 years means totally, right, 5 hundreds. Okay, first do that step, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, in first year, at the end of first year, understand, you will have to pay 100 rupees, and in addition to that you will have to pay a interest. What is that interest? For the remaining 4 years, right, 100, 100, 100, 100. For that 400 rupees you will have to pay a interest. Interest rate is 10%, right? So in addition to your principal 100 rupees, you will have to pay a interest of 10% for the remaining 400. Got my point? So 100 plus 10% of 400 is nothing but 40 rupees. So 140 you will pay in first installment. Okay, in second installment, 100 plus 10% for the remaining 300 rupees. Get my point? So 10% of 300 is 30 rupees. On total you will pay 130 in your second installment. Then third installment, 100 rupees plus 10% of remaining 200 rupees. Okay, so 10% of 200 is 20 rupees. So 100 plus 20, 120. Similarly for the fourth year, 100 plus 10% for the 100 rupees, which is 110. And for the fifth year we will complete, right, we will complete the total payment. So for fifth year there is no interest. Okay, so total everything, on total your total installment is 600 rupees. Okay, so total debt is 600 rupees. So imagine, when you kept your principal as 100 rupees, your total debt was 600 rupees, right? So they have given our total debt as 4200 rupees. So for that, how much is our annual installment we'll have to find. You get my point? So this is how you will have to solve the question. Since I explained you, it takes time, and otherwise it is actually easy. Now I'll tell you the shortcut, okay? Before which we will confirm whether what we have found is right or not. So on simplification, you get as 700 rupees is your monthly installment, okay, yearly installment. Now we'll check whether the 700 rupees is right. How will we check? So as usual, 5 years, right? So 700, you write it as 5 times, okay? So first year, how much you'll pay? 700 plus 10% of the remaining 4 700s. That is on total 2800, right? So 10% of 2800 is nothing but 280. So 700 plus 280 will give you 980. Similarly, follow for second, third, fourth and fifth year, okay? For fifth year, there will be no additional interest, just the principal amount. So on total, if you do, it is 4200. So that is what our question is. Now you got how we solved the installment problem. I hope you understood, okay? We'll solve the same question with a shortcut, guys, okay? This is how you'll have to use it for your competitive exams, okay? So understand it. So what annual installment will discharge a debt of rupees 4200 due in 5 years at 10% essay? The first and foremost thing you'll have to do is our principal, write it as 100, okay? Every year 10% is charged, right? Rate of interest. So next year it would be 110. So for third year it would be 120. Fourth year it would be 130. And fifth year it would be 140. I hope you understood till this. Now add all the things. So on adding up, you get it as 600. So this 600 is what our total debt is, what we assumed, which is equal to 4200. So we want to find the annual installment. So for 100, how much it is, we'll have to find. So simply you find the direct relation. 600 into 7 is 4200. So 100 into 7 is 700. I hope you understood. See, within seconds we finished this sum, okay? So we'll go with next sum, okay? You try to solve by yourself. What annual installment will discharge a debt of rupees 1092 due in 3 years at 12% simple interest? So first thing, you try to solve by basic approach also, but here we'll follow the shortcut, okay? See, first year principal is 100. Next year you'll have along with the interest. So 100 and 12% of 100 is nothing but 12. So 100 plus 12, 112. Next year it would be twice, so 124. On total it is, since it is 3 years we did, on total it is 336. That debt is equal to the total debt 1092. So our annual installment for 100, how much it is, we'll find. So simply cross multiply, you get the answer as 325. Yes. See the next question. What annual installment will discharge a debt of rupees 6450 due in 4 years at 5% simple interest? So first thing, principal 100 rupees, and since it is 4 years, you go with next 5% means 105, next 5% means 110, and next 5% means 115. Yes, total everything you'll get it as 430. That is nothing but equal to our total debt 6450. So our annual installment 100 is equal to how much you'll have to find, okay? So you'll get the answer as 1500, okay? And the last and the final question, try to solve it. What annual installment will discharge a debt of 1815 due in 3 years at 10% simple interest? So this is our question. So 3 years means start with 100, 10% means next year it would be 110, and next year it would be 120. On total it is 330, which is equal to 1815. So for 100, how much it is, if you find, you will get the answer as 550. So I hope you are clear with this concept. This is one of the important questions asked in your competitive exam. So please be thorough with this concept, okay? Please don't go for formula or you know and keep, but still you go with the concept, which is quite easy, okay? So I hope you understood all the concept that is explained in this session. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.